To add the superannuation fund in Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Open Xero and log in with your credentials. Go to Payroll Settings. From the Xero dashboard, click on Payroll in the top menu, then select Superannuation under the Settings section. Add a new superannuation fund. Click on the Add Super Fund button. Enter fund details. Fund name. Enter the name of the superannuation fund. Fund type. Select whether it's a default superannuation fund or a specific choice fund. Fund ABN. Enter the Australian business number of the fund. Fund USI. Provide the USI if applicable. Select contribution type. Choose the type of contribution, such as superannuation guarantee or other types if applicable. Fund details and payment frequency. Enter any additional details such as payment frequency and bank details if needed for direct payments. Save the fund. Once all information is entered, click Save to add the superannuation fund to Xero.